foodies, welcome to Foodland. Diwali is right around the corner and you're looking for some unique recipes, and this is one of it. So this is called Namkeen Chirota, or you can also call it as layered namkeen puri. So this is really crispy and very tasty recipe, just a perfect tea time snack if Let's start and see how to make Namkeen Mathri, or you can also call it Namkeen Chirota. So this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I have added few tablespoons extra here in this bowl. 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon of kasoori methi or fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon of carom seeds, ajwain seeds, salt as per taste. I've taken close to 1 tablespoon of salt. Then we need 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, oil to fry, and this is the most important key ingredient here. This is a cream we're gonna make. So this is 2 to 3 tablespoons of solid butter. This is room temperature butter. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Cut them like this. I've taken room temperature butter. It's easier to get this butter softened. Alright, so in a big pan I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Simply going to add everything in the flour. Give that a good mix. And add 3 tablespoons of pure ghee. Now this is the key step here. We need to get the dry ingredients with this butter or ghee mixed really well. You can also add oil, but the crispiness that you get with adding pure ghee is mind-blowing. I'll show you at the end of the recipe once the recipe is done. So give that a good mix. Get like a crumbly texture of this all-purpose flour or maida. And a tip here is get a new packet of maida or all-purpose flour. Alright, so my dough is forming nicely. I'm going to add water and make it. Alright, so I have a lukewarm water here. Just microwave 1 glass of water for 20-22 seconds. So now I'm gonna start adding water little by little. Mix all the ingredients well in this water and make a dough. Alright, as you can see, my dough is ready. Just massage it, and I'm gonna keep it covered for about 10-15 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get the oil ready to fry. Alright, so as you can see, I have made almost 8 equal size balls. So let's roll this now. Let's cover others. So I'm gonna make rotis of this. And just apply this butter to each roti just evenly, because this is gonna give us the beautiful layering of the namkeen. So just apply it with your hand so that it's evenly spread. Alright, now add one more roti on top of it. It's okay if it's not the same size, because we are going to roll this roti at the end. Make sure it's evenly spread everywhere. Just like so. Now, roti number 3. It's gonna be so crispy and with this buttery flavor. If you do not have the butter, you can take ghee instead of in this mixture. Balls, just like so. Alright, so now once you have all the layers here fully covered with the buttercream, simply roll this . Just press gently every time you roll, just like so. So keep rolling. From all the sides, just like this. This is so much fun to do it, and when you see the actual result of this recipe, you will be amazed. Just keep rolling. Just like so. Now you have a big roll here. Now you just have to simply roll it like this and make it longer. Alright, as you can see, this is a huge roll that we made with just rolling like this. Just make it longer. Now we're gonna make equal size portions, like about 1 inch or so. Just cut it. Remove the last portions because they are not going to be the same size as these ones. So these are the equal portions. I'm going to keep them aside. Okay, so all my puris are ready here, the balls. Now as you can see, the layering is right here. So I just keep it like this and just gently press it, just like this. Now if you can see, all the layerings around a circle. Dip it in the flour and gently roll it. Really gently roll it. Do not flip it to the other side, just roll it on one side. That's the most important step. So little steps just like this are gonna make a beautiful crispy namkeen. And we don't have to make it really thin. Just I'll show you the just gentle the thickness of this. There you go. And you see the layers. Once you fry them, they're gonna just beautifully pop up. So I'm gonna keep this aside and keep rolling all the rotis, all the balls here. Keep it covered. So these are all my puris here. Let's get frying. Alright, my oil is hot enough. Let's add all the puris. Then add 3. Look at this, they are popping up immediately. That means our proportion that we used is perfect. So just add oil. We're going to fry this until they turn golden brown, like slightly golden, not even brown. See that beautiful golden color? This is the time to remove them from the pan. And here you go. I have made about 30 puris just like this. This is a Namkeen Chirota. You can sprinkle some red chilli powder if you want to make it even more spicier. And look at this beautiful layers that we did that 4 rotis together with that buttercream. That's the reason why these layers are showing up. So I want to show you one and show you how crispy that is. You see? Beautiful. They are so crispy, crunchy, and so flavorful. This is how the outcome is. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and so if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and of course do not forget to subscribe to see this video and more such videos. Thank you so much. See you next time.